So let's try to summarize what we've learned about the interpreter design pattern. So except for the absolute simplest cases, an interpreter acts in two stages. So first of all, we have the lexing process. So this takes a chunk of text and it turns it into a set of tokens. So for example, if you have 3 times brackets 4 plus 5, this gets turned into the literal 3 followed by a star followed by the left parentheses and so on and so forth. And these are called tokens typically. And then the second stage is parsing, and that is where you take the sequence of tokens and you turn it into meaningful constructs. So you can see that there's a multiplication here with the left and right hand sides. So the parser would recognize that we have a multiplication expression. The left side is the integer 3 and the right hand side is an addition expression, and so you end up building what's called an abstract syntax tree. And then of course this parsed data can be traversed, it can be interpreted, it can be transformed, and you can do whatever you want with it.